If you're seeing the Telegram error code email not allowed, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This issue usually happens when Telegram doesn't trust the email address you're using or when the app thinks your login attempt looks unusual. The good news is there are a few simple fixes you can try right away, and most of them take only a couple of minutes. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Now let's get into it. The first thing you should do is switch to a mainstream email provider. If you're trying to sign up or recover your account using a temporary email, a disposable email, or a lesser known domain, Telegram may block it automatically. Instead, use a trusted provider like Gmail. Gmail, Outlook, and other major email services are much more likely to be accepted. So, if you've been getting the email not allowed message, change the email address to a standard provider and try again. In many cases, that alone can solve the problem. Next, try logging in through the mobile app first. If you're attempting to set up or authenticate Telegram directly on your PC, sometimes the desktop login can trigger this error. A better approach is to open the official Telegram app on your phone first and complete the login there. Once your account is active on mobile, you can usually connect the desktop version much more smoothly. This is especially helpful if your account is brand new or if Telegram is flagging the login as suspicious. Another very effective method is to use QR code login. This can help you bypass the need to type in credentials manually and often avoids the error completely. To do this, open Telegram on your phone, then go to Settings, tap Devices, and choose Link Desktop Device. After that, a QR scanner will open. On your PC, keep the Telegram desktop login screen open and scan the QR code shown on the screen using your phone. Once it connects, your desktop session should link without needing the email-based step that is causing the issue. If the email error was happening during desktop sign-in, this method is often the quickest workaround. If none of that works right away, the next thing to do is wait 24 hours. Telegram can place a temporary restriction on accounts if there have been too many login attempts, sign-up attempts, or repeated verification failures. In that case, the email not allowed message may disappear on its own after the restriction clears. So if you've tried several times already, stop trying for a while and come back after a full day. That waiting period can reset the flag and let you log in normally. While you're troubleshooting, make sure you're using the official Telegram app and not a modified or unofficial version. Also double check that your internet connection is stable, your device date and time are correct, and your email is typed in properly with no extra spaces or typos. Small issues like that can sometimes make the error seem worse than it really is. So, to quickly recap, use a trusted email like Gmail, try logging in on the mobile app first, use QR code login from your phone, and if needed, wait 24 hours for the restriction to clear. One of these fixes usually solves the Telegram email not allowed error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.